Hi everyone, Tara Jensen here with Layton Hills District. I'm an Assistant District Coordinator, and we are excited to bring you another Peace and Preparedness message. This quarter we are talking about food storage. We're talking about short-term food storage, long-term food storage, and water storage. And you can find all of our messages on our Facebook page, which is Layton Hills District Emergency Prep. And you can ask to join and we'd love to get you in, but all these messages are saved there. So specifically in July, we are focusing on short-term food storage. And the biggest point I'd like to get across is that you want to eat what you store and store what you eat. So if you don't eat wheat, don't store it. We want to eat what we are storing and make sure that we're rotating it, and so that the things that we are purchasing are well used and our money is spent well. So eat what you store and store what you eat. So a suggestion for short-term storage is to get out a piece of paper and break it into 3 categories: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And write down your family's top 10 meals, top 10 breakfast, top 10 lunch, and top 10 dinners. Okay, and then from there, you can just take your top 3 of each and purchase those and store them away, and you've got your 3-day supply, your 72-hour kits, right? And then in order to do a 1-month supply, you're going to take each of those top 10 and you're going to buy 10 of each. And that's, oh no, you're going to buy 3 of each. Sorry. You're going to buy 3 of each, and that will give you your 1-month supply. And then in order to do a 3-month supply, you're going to buy 10 of each. So that would be your 3-month. Yeah, 10 times 10 is 100. So that would give you your 3-month supply. Okay, so some simple breakfast ideas. Get a big thing of pancake mix. Buy some syrup. You can buy oatmeal and raisins if that's something your family eats. If you're just a cereal family, stock up on cereal. Those are some simple things for breakfast ideas. Lunch ideas, you could do peanut butter and jelly. You could stock up on tuna fish and mayo. Some mac and cheese, any little things that you know your family loves. If your kids are like chicken nuggets every day, then you just fill your freezer with chicken nuggets, right? There's no top 10, there's only one, it's chicken nuggets. No, I'm just kidding. So, and then on dinners, the same thing. Write down your top 10, and then I'll give you an example. So let's say spaghetti is one of your family's favorites. Now this is a simple one. When the case lot sales come on, the spaghetti packages are only about $1. The spaghetti sauce is about $1. You can get a can of corn and a can of fruit for about 50 cents to $1. So you've literally got a meal for about $3 for a family. And so if you times that by 10 and you purchase all of those things, you literally are spending about 30 bucks, and you've got 10 meals for your family. So that's awesome. So those are just some ideas for short-term, a 3-day supply, a 1-month supply, and then a 30-day supply. So again, those simple 10 top meals, break them down to what you would need for the ingredients, so you can kind of see what you'd need to purchase, and then really hit up those case lot sales. And then just one little other quick idea for looking forward into your year supply. I had a lady that she just does 30 meals, and they have the same menu every single month. This is the 30 meals, and so she writes those 30 meals down, and then she times each of those by 12. And that's how she has her year supply. And the cool thing is that takes the guesswork out of your what's for dinner tonight, because it's all out on the calendar, and you only have that meal once a month, so you can really rotate and get through your food storage and try new things. And so my biggest suggestion, like I said, is to eat what you store and store what you eat, and to just get started. Even if you just do one of those meals and you buy 10 of them, or even if you just start with your 3-day supply. The biggest thing is to start. The Lord loves effort, and He loves it when we are prepared, and we've been asked to be prepared. So I invite you to get started on your 3-month or your 1 year or whatever you can afford, but get started, do something, okay? and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.